Toyota shows second EV prototype touting itself as a leader in electrification with beyond zero EV sales. Ooh, shots fired. Shots fired. Well, listen, Toyota been a little slow to get involved here. But we've seen Toyota do great things in the past. So I don't know that I'd write them off just yet, even though they're a little bit late to the party. And I know they did have to recall some of these BZ compact vehicles. A bunch of issues going on. It's unfortunate in the meantime, but I feel like Toyota can figure it out. They're kind of a big deal. No, Will?
Oh, yeah. They're just a little late.
At the LA Auto Show, Toyota revealed its BZ compact SUV concept, the second fully electric vehicle from the BZ, which stands for Beyond Zero lineup. Despite Toyota claiming Beyond Zero, the automaker has little to show in terms of zero-emission EV sales. After hyping the debut of its fifth-generation hybrid Prius, Toyota is giving us a look at what could be its next pure electric model. Although Toyota has been a leader in hybrid technology for over 20 years, you remember when the Prius was all over the place, the automaker recalled all EV models sold over concerns that the wheel can detach fully from the vehicle.
Oh, no.
Engagement. Yeah. Well, that's a tough one because that really doesn't have to do with their EV tech. That's just a manufacturing problem.
Yeah,
that can happen on a combustion vehicle as well.
Oh, man. Imagine you're driving. All of a sudden, your wheel just falls off.
It's just, and it's also, they invested so much money and people were so excited to get the first electric Toyota. And then they turn around and go, yo, that wheel might fall off, the steering wheel there.
Yeah.
And they're talking about the steering wheel, right?
I'm thinking it's the steering wheel.
Yeah, let me see what it says. Wheel can detach from vehicle. Yeah, do they mean the wheel, like one of the four tires? Wheels? No.
Either way is very dangerous.
Whatever, it's bad either way. Yeah. Actually, what do you think's worse? I think your steering wheel detaching might be worse.
I think it's the worst because you're controlling the vehicle itself.
I don't know, actually. But you might be able to slam it back on there and then the amount of damage, if you lose an actual wheel from the vehicle, one of the four that you're sitting on, then you're scraping and smashing.
Braking might not even help. If you're losing the steering wheel, you just brake, I guess.
You're braking either way, right? If you have 3 out of 4 tires on the road. But anyway. So I hope they can figure it out, turn it around, because the stuff they're doing looks cool. I talked about the Lexus one, which is based on this as well in the past. It's cool shapes. I think this one has a yoke as well, which I have a little yoke experience, very futuristic type of experience. Ooh, look at the curved display in there. God, this is a super minimalist interior.
Yeah, no kidding.
That's heavy on the science fiction.
Little table.
Heavy dose. I just, I kind of root for them. I've had some Toyota product in the past, and it used to be the epitome of quality control and J.D. Power Associates and so forth. Like as far as reliability and initial quality. It's tough out here, though. It's very competitive in the EV space, and many have a head start and have already figured things out.
Yeah.
By the way, how's the quality control on your Model 3? You pick up any little weirdness yet? No.
So I've been watching a lot of videos.
Zero?
And on delivery day, it was actually very solid. I had a whole checklist and everything.
Yeah, well, I know.
Shout out Test Pros.
I was looking at it for like 30 seconds. I saw it was panel gaps. So I think you don't know what you're looking for.
Okay,
well.
just blind.
Having panel gap nightmares.
Yeah.
Just like.
I would say it's very good.
That's great. That's great news.
Surprisingly.
It's good to hear. Congrats.